even though how best you are, how good you are as a teacher, we should really let them go. At may mga pagkakataon na talagang hindi na natin sila makokontrol. At kung minsan, di ba, pag may 100 kang, may 120 kang estudyante at 20 yung magluko, pareho lang kayo ng statistics ni Jesus. Why? Bakit po ilan ang apostoles? 12. Ilan ang nagluko? 2. Di ba? And so sabihin mo, if that's the measure of success, Jesus was not successful as a leader. Bakit? When He was there on the cross, ay lahat iniwanan nga siya eh. Di ba? That's the mystery of human freedom eh. Kaya talagang, destiny is not a matter of chance talaga. It's about choices. Kaya we could never make choices for our children. And the best that we can do for our children is to lead them to good choices. That is why Jesus did not believe in fear eh. Kasi sinasabi nga nila, fear is the beginning of wisdom. If may beginning lang. Hanggang beginning lang siya. Kaya may isang tatay noon na may isang nanay noon na talagang very gusto niyang kontrolahin yung mga anak niya. Kawawa naman yung mga anak eh. No? May isang nanay noon na sinabihan niya yung anak niya, saan ka nang galing? Bakit ka ginabi? Hindi sumagot yung anak. Saan ka nang galing? Saan ka nang galing? Sagot, sagot. Nang sumagot, andun po, sumasagot ka na ha. No, di ba? Wala ka talagang patutunguhan eh. May isang tatay po noon na talagang sabi niya, there are just 2 rules in the house. No? Rule number 1, the father is always right. Rule number 2, if the father is wrong, go back to rule number 1. The father is right pa rin po. Kaya may isang tatay noon talagang minura niya po yung anak niya, talagang walang kwenta kang anak. Mula ngayon, hindi mo na ako tatawagin iyong ama. O sabi ng anak, opo, alis na po ako, Chong. Choices po, no? So,